Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It has been forever since I filmed the video, so I'm so excited to jump right back in. So if you are new, please subscribe, like the video, and just follow my journey. So I'm going to start with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop primer, and it's a good primer. It's very, very thick. You don't even need a top because it's going to seal itself. So I'm just going to do that. And then we're going to be filling in my brows with the ColourPop Black and Brown Dip Brow. I think I want to start shading my brows just a bit darker. So I think I'm going to try that in my next video just to see, what it looks like. Now I'm just going to line my brow with some, now I believe it's the CoverGirl Master Conceal in shade 40 medium. And this is matte. So a lot of the things I'm going to be using today are matte. Super matte primer. I mean, this primer is just super matte. And it really clings and sticks to your face. I have the matte concealer that I'm using on my brow, as well as the matte foundation. So I'm just going to fill that in. And I really like the light color for concealer. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation, and this is in shade 355 Coconut. Now I haven't used this foundation in a while because usually you have to change your foundations every so often because of the shade in your shade, but now this time of the year this shade is really matching me, so I'm gonna use this shade. This one like matches my skin perfectly. Now I'll be using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and this is an O shade. It's in 1050. You can go on our website to see the equivalent of 1050. And I'm going to be using my Morphe setting spray, and it's just a continuous setting spray. I spray it on my beauty blender just to get it wet so my concealer can blend in a bit more. And also with that concealer I backed up with the Master Conceal, the same concealer that I use on my eyebrow. I use that as well on my highlight. I make the ugliest faces when I'm doing my makeup. Now I'm going to be using ColourPop's bronzer, and it's in shade Rodeo Drive. And all these shades and all the things that I'm using, I have used in my previous videos. So just check out the videos and look at the links in the description box, and it'll have the links to everything that I'm using, including the brushes. And this is also another ColourPop. No, this is actually from NYX, and it's, I think, off-white or not so white eye pencil. I'm not sure of the shade. And then I'll go in with this is either LA Girl Wet n Wild Really Black Concealer. So, I don't know. This is a good one, but it's one of the more affordable brands. These are my favorite. It's Bella & Co. I found this company on Instagram. She was actually commenting on Shade Room, and I agree with her comment. And I went to her page, and she had like these really big, beautiful lashes, like really like Instagram lashes. So I got them, and they are very affordable. I believe this is this style is Bitch Please, and I think it's $10, $9.99, and she's in New Orleans, so you're gonna get your shipping really, really fast, and she keeps, she's gonna keep you in the loop of how your order is going. So I ordered a few pair of her lashes, and I think Bitch Please, maybe Boy Bye, and some others. She's always sold out, but you gotta like really get it when she has her products back in stock, because people love these lashes. Like, these are for real Instagram lashes. And then I put them on without tweezers, which I have never done, because it is so hard to put on lashes with just your fingers. I have never done it. I don't know, maybe because I have long nails now, I could put them on, but maybe because the strips are bigger, and these are like really big ass volume lashes. But I think they are just gorgeous. I love them. Oh, so I'm also using the Sasha setting powder in shade Buttercup. And then this is a e.l.f. blush palette. I don't know the shade. I got it like years and years ago. And I'm using my Morphe highlighter in shade Mirage, and it's all broken up. So I need to get another one, because I dropped this several times, or learn how to fix this one. Okay, guys, so I'm going to finish up this look with NYX. No, it's not NYX. ColourPop brown lip liner. Don't know the shade. And this right here is ColourPop color. I think it's Tulle. And then it is the matte lip stuff. I don't know. I got this a long time ago, rubbed off. It's the popular one that everyone buys from ColourPop. So it's that one. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Also, please like and subscribe. Also definitely follow me. Leave comments for the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.